Hello, so Builderall is yet another pyramid scheme, yes or no? Well, why this question about a pyramid scheme? Someone on Facebook said that one question for all of you. When I explain it to people, a lot of people respond back by saying it is a pyramid scheme. I am promoting the affiliate side of Builderall. What do you say to people when they say this? So, first, let's look at what is a pyramid scheme. On Wikipedia, of course, um, a pyramid scheme is a business model that recruits members via a promise of payment or services for enrolling others into the scheme, rather than supplying investment or sale of products or services. As recruiting multiplies, recruiting becomes quickly impossible, and most members are unable to profit. As such, pyramid schemes are unsustainable and often illegal. Okay, first of all, what I reply to this is Builderall is not a pyramid scheme because pyramids hardly have only two levels, and the Builderall affiliate program has only two levels. But this is not the most important in this definition. They say that um, the pyramid scheme recruits members via a promise of payments or service for enrolling others into the scheme. And and in a way, we could think about it like this uh, for Builderall, because we get paid for enrolling others into the scheme, into the affiliate program. But first of all, um, Builderall is a product, and when you are doing the promotion of Builderall, you are not only selling the opportunity of reselling Builderall, but also to sell, two other plans which don't have the ability to do affiliate. So, but if we focus only on the affiliate side, that is the business builder plan, uh, it could be seen like this, like as a pyramid scheme, but only two levels. So it's a very poor pyramid scheme in itself. But Boulderall as a whole, it's over 30,000 customers, and of those 30,000 customers, only 4,000 are affiliates. So, over 80% of customers of Builderall are not affiliates. So they are not into this pyramid scheme. I mean, the pyramid scheme, if you want, it's only within the 4,000 customers who are also affiliates. And between them, yes, there is a kind of pyramid scheme, but only two levels. So, you sell to someone, and if this someone sells to others, then yes, you get money. But after that, it's finished for you. Uh, if the customer of your customer sells, you don't get any commission, you don't get money. So this is the end of this pyramid scheme. So it's a very poor pyramid scheme, if you want. So what can we say to people who say immediately, "Oh, Builderall, this is a pyramid scheme. I don't want to be part of it because it sounds illegal." First, if it was a pyramid scheme, it's a very poor one. Only two levels. It's stupid. When you do a pyramid scheme, you want in your mind to be able to earn on 10 levels, 15 levels, and be able to multiply the profits. But this is not happening in Builderall. Only two levels. So it means that you will have to sell Builderall, and not only the affiliate plans, but also the others. And then, if you are lucky, you get to sell an affiliate plan to someone who will sell others, and you will get some little help. But first, it's affiliate marketing. So You sell, you earn money. And affiliate programs have nothing to do with a pyramid scheme. It's only like if you are a salesperson, you sell your product. So that first I would say it's a very poor pyramid scheme because it has only two levels. Then I will talk about the fact that Builderall is a product. It's not just the promise of profits based on recruiting others. It's not that. It is a product that uh, customer, like I said, over 80% of Builderall customers don't have the ability to promote it because they are users at different plans, like web presence and digital marketing. Those two plans don't have the ability to promote, to resell Builderall. So I would say that it's a product, and even when you buy the business builder plan, Builderall business, when you buy it, you have the product Builderall that you can use for yourself. It is like a digital marketing plan but boosted, so better, even better than you don't get only the affiliate, the possibility to resell. You get a lot of tools of Builderall, the whole platform, and even boosted. Some limits are higher with this plan than with the other plan at $29. So I will say this. First, it's a poor pyramid scheme, if it is one. Then I will say it is not one, because over 80% of customers, of people inside Builderall, are not affiliates. They cannot resell it. So it's not a scheme about everyone trying to resell Builderall. Over 80% of them don't try to resell Builderall. They are just using Builderall. So like Marcus said, pyramid schemes have no product, only recruiting people. If there is a product that needs to be sold to get paid, it can be a pyramid scheme. So, whatever. So here I say yes that the number of customers, and this figure will grow because Eric Salgado, the CEO, have planned for 2019 to grow 5 times the number of users. So it will go over 100,000, and I don't know how many of us will be affiliates, but maybe it will stay in the same proportions. Like over 80% won't be affiliates. And also, one thing that I would say to people who say it's a pyramid scheme, I would say, but you don't have to buy Builderall in order to promote Builderall, to be an affiliate, because it is possible to resell Builderall for free. If you go on JVZoo, which is an affiliate platform, you can get your affiliate link for free and promote Builderall and get paid commission when you sell the product. So, you don't have to pay in order to resell Builderall. So this is not pyramid scheme. But I will say also that yes, you can do it on JVZoo, but it is not good. It's not good idea, because yes, it's free for you, but on the other hand, you don't have the second tier, the second affiliate level. So if you sell Builderall as to other affiliates, when they sell Builderall, you don't get money on their sales. And this is the good things about Builderall second tiers, is that you can create your own team of affiliates on one level, but you can create it. With JVZoo, you can't. But otherwise, it's the same. It's a 30% commission on each month of your customer life. But on the first installment, it's only 50%. When you are part of Builderall, when you have the Builderall business plan, you get 100% on the first month, and then 30% on all the other months. But you get this second share, which is good, and you get the tool, because when you sell on JVZoo, okay, it's free, but you don't have Builderall tools, you know. So on the short long term, it's not very interesting, but it is possible to do it. No other pyramid scheme allows you to be part of it without paying. You know? So this destroys the very small pyramid scheme ID. And I would say on JVZoo, moreover, is not interesting because your affiliate link is only in English. When you are part of Builderall, you have many funnels, many affiliate links. You can target exactly what you want to sell and in which language. On JVZoo, it's only in English, only one sales page with the free plans, 1 to 3, free plans. And so you just send traffic to this sales page, and when people buy a Builderall, you don't have their contact information. So, it's real affiliate program, classic one. When you are in Builderall, your leads and your customers are yours because you get their contact information. As soon as they open even a free account of Builderall, you get their contact information. You can contact them directly within your Builderall interface. It's totally something else. Huh? And so, me, that's what I would say. This, of course, it is not a pyramid scheme. And then you have other people answering that everything is a pyramid scheme, your job is a pyramid scheme, blah, blah, blah. Then they say, oh, those kind of people who say that, I don't care about them, I don't reply anything because they're stupid. But other people say, no, they are not stupid, they don't know any better. Because they have been taught or they taught themselves to reply pyramid scheme to anything like this. And it's true that when you don't know any better, you can say, oh, I buy and then I resell. This is pyramid scheme. Yes, could be. But you can explain what I said in this video, of course, with you better own words in English, like the fact that over 80% of users, customers, are not affiliates, the fact that you can promote Builderall without paying for Builderall, and the fact that there are only 2 levels of affiliation. So, and then you can ask people, do you still think it's a pyramid scheme? If yes, then tell me why. What part of this do you think? If they say, oh, because you have to pay and you only sell the same thing, but you say, no, you don't have to pay. You can sell it as an affiliate on JVZoo. And so you can talk with them. It's not that they are stupid, but they don't know any better, and it's very easy to tell them how it is. Voilà. Bye bye.